Hello, it's John Liu. I want to talk about what is Flow Studio app. This is an app that we built for makers and admins to build, manage, monitor their Power Automate flows at scale. So automation at scale gets quite messy. You get a lot of flows. You have too many flows. In fact, the first reason why we built this tool is to help people find their flows. When you have more than 50 flows, it's very difficult. When you have flows in different environments, it's almost impossible to find the flows. And there's no quick, easy way to see which flow is failing or which flow is not running correctly. There's a lot of issues when you have important business critical flows that are failing and you cannot quickly find them. You need to manually go through many places to find them. That is very messy. So this is the first feature of Flow Studio app. Once you log in, you will be able to see all your flows, and we also do this sparkline showing you which runs have been happening. So you can see very quickly that, hey, this flow has some errors here, and when is the flow last run. So you can even sort the flows by when they have been running and get the most recently running flows to come to the top. Flow Studio gives you a complete view of your Power Automate platform. You can browse, and there is search, there's filter, and where we have lists, you can export that to Excel. Once you drill into a flow, you can quickly see all its runs, and this could be hundreds or thousands of runs, and you can see them all in one view. You can search and filter. You can quickly see which are failed. You can multi-select the ones that have failed and resubmit them, or quickly cancel them in bulk. So all these tools to help you manage, find your failures quickly, and then handle them. Yeah. You can also export them to Excel here as well. There are many tools in Flow Studio app. The third one is being able to edit the flow by JSON. Now, editing flow by JSON could be quite scary, but many times is one of the quickest ways to change something. If you want to quickly do a find replace of a flow name, or if you want to change the JSON schema of a trigger, these are a quick way to quickly change the definition. In addition, we have features for showing your previous versions of your flow based on your previous runs. So you can even do a diff between the different versions. So you can quickly say, oh, this was something that was working. This is the text that was there. Let me copy it back and then restore the flow to a previous state. So you can do that using the diff mode. So, and Flow Studio app really helps the admins. There are quick functions to assign the flow to the admin, so you can go and see the flow. There are quick actions to export almost everything, and many other features. So you can always use Flow Studio app to look at your own flows for free. For more advanced features like edit JSON or diff or restore earlier version, you will need a subscription pro license.